Hi everyone, so I will go over my trades. So we will look at Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, and the options with XSP. As you know, I'm not licensed and don't listen to me, just do your own research. So when it comes to trading, I'm just showing you how I trade. You might like it, you might not. So I'm looking at Ethereum. So this is weekly for Ethereum. It shows like an M. So which means this is the middle leg. So the middle leg close on a weekly chart was at 2,300. So if it does close in 4 days and 10 hours, it is this candle. If it does close below this level here, middle leg, right, then we can expect the next level to be 2,000 and then 1,777 and the maximum is 1,630. So that's about it. So right now the thing is, if it does not close above, below this middle leg, then we can expect pullback to 2,800. And let's look at the next pair, so let me just remove this, which is Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin, when it comes to Bitcoin, this is weekly, and I think a month or 2 months ago, I said I'm gonna buy it when it drops to 74,000. So apparently right now it broke a 328 fib, and it will come to 50 fib, which is 78,600. However, the previous support was around 7.3, and this would be 0.618 on the fib. So it's this area here between 72 and 75. This is the best area and the best time to get in. So next thing is XRP. Okay, so XRP weekly, it's a little bit different than Bitcoin, because it looks like this could be head and shoulder. So if this is head, right shoulder, left shoulder. So it all depends if it's gonna close below $2 or not. If it doesn't close and we have still 4 days and 10 hours, and then there will be a decision. So if it does close at or below this level here, which is 2.0681 exactly. So I'm like looking, so let me just mark it exactly, 2.06 something. Okay, so 0.68. So this is very important. So if it does close below, which is this close of this particular candle of December 23, then we can expect further drop, right, to 1.6, 1.5. So of course 2 months ago I did say that I would ideally buy it at 1.6, 1.7, but let's just hope that it does not close below. If that's the case, if it doesn't close below and the next week after that is a bullish candle, then we can expect to go to 4.5 or 5. Okay, so let's look at the XSP. So this is the only option that I trade. And in this case, I'm using MACD and RSI divergence. And this is like, I tested this, it is super accurate. And on 195 minutes, for example, this was 9:30. So this particular candle, bearish candle, I got signal at 9:30. So what does it mean? Then this candle lasts 195 minutes. So it means that at 12:45, I will definitely sell. I will definitely buy because it's a bullish divergence. So At 12:45 plus 195 minutes, it closes exactly at 16.00, 4 o'clock, because it's ODTE. If it's a next day close, then it would close at 6:15, and then it would invalidate this divergence. So whether I'm using 390 minutes or 995 minutes, I also calculated 130 minutes is also a good thing. In this case, the entry would be 1350. So if I look at this entry here, it is 1350. It says sell. So if I increase this, so you can see, you can barely see this candle, but it's a sell candle. So it did close at 606.89, and because it's a sell, right? The next candle closed at 606.85. Sometimes it's accurate to the pip, so, which is super important for options trading. So this one is buy. You see how this candle, it tells you everything like a sell, but it's a buy divergence because it closed at 602.59. And then you know that because it's a buy, that it's going to close above 602.59. If you look at the next candle close, it's 602.60. So it's just one pip above, and it works. It's amazing. So if I look at my bots, so this is manual paper trading. Yeah, I made like tons of money, but I'm not really calculating. This is more like a practice. Because somehow this software is not really calculating really the same as the live trading. I do have a live trade. I opened 2 positions and I started with the live. When did I start? The February 21 and February 25. So with $1,000, yeah, I was going super conservative, and as soon as I made 20%, I did close. So because, as I said, I'm still learning these options. And then I have 3 bots. These 3 bots are identical. They are just long puts, and they are just taking 10%. And the difference is the entry. So this one at 340 had one position which made it, and not this one as at 11 o'clock. So if I look, and I just started this, so out of 3, 2 were winners, 1 was a loser. So basically I lost $17, but this one here is the best. So because the entry is at 145, so I had 5 positions and all 5 were winners, which is amazing. So I'm gonna let it run for next 3 to 6 months and see which of these 3 different times works the best. So happy trading and good luck.